Steve again. I have some great offers here on Luminar NEO. Skylum are celebrating the second anniversary of Luminar NEO, and by way of doing so, they are offering some terrific discounts, probably the best there's ever been so far for NEO. And going along with that, I also have a unique discount coupon which will get you another 20% off. So if you would like to know more, nip down to the description. I'll leave a link there and I'll leave the coupon code, and take a look. You will be very pleased if you are looking to buy NEO or any of the add-ons. Everything will be on there, and the coupon code should work across the board, as well as their discounts, which are up to as much as 83% discount. So now has never been a better time to have a look. Now this offer only lasts from today, February the 15th, 2024, until the 25th of Feb 2024. So basically it's 10 days and then it'll end. So yeah, take a look. Doesn't cost anything to have a look, and also whilst you're at it, it doesn't cost anything if you hit the thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Anyway, I will leave that to you, and if you have any questions, leave a comment and I will get back to you if there's anything you need answering. I will make sure that I read all the comments and reply to all of you. So thanks again, and I shall catch you very soon. Cheers for now. Bye.